Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's update on Tuesday's likely severe weather outbreak. So, the Storm Prediction Center has an enhanced risk of severe weather across northeast Louisiana, eastern Arkansas, western Mississippi, and western Tennessee in the orange for Tuesday, a slight risk in the yellow, and a marginal risk in the dark green. And looking at the probabilities of severe weather within 25 miles of a location, we have a 30% chance of severe weather within 25 miles of a location in the red region, a 15% in the yellow, and a 5% chance in the brown region. And in the black hatched region, we have a 10% chance or greater of significant severe weather, which is tornadoes of EF2 or stronger in magnitude, wind gusts of 65 miles per hour, or 2-inch in diameter hail or larger within 25 miles of a location in this hatched area for Tuesday. So for areas like Shreveport, Alexandria, Jackson, Greenville, Little Rock, Memphis, and Jackson, Tennessee, prepare now for a severe weather outbreak and possible tornado outbreak on Tuesday because the ingredients are coming together. So we're going to be looking at the supercell composite from the GFS model for 4 o'clock Central Standard Time Tuesday. We have supercell parameters of 5 to 6 across East Texas, Northern Louisiana, and Mississippi in the orange, and about 3 to 4 in the yellow across most of East Texas, the rest of Louisiana, Southern Arkansas, and Mississippi. So this indicates a moderate chance of supercells developing, and we're going to be taking a look at some soundings within the orange region. So looking at a sounding from near Lufkin, Texas, we have a curved hodograph, which represents that conditions are favorable for tornadoes. We have a tornado in the potential hazard type, and our storm relative helicity is around 200 and for service to 1 kilometer. And for tornadoes to form, we need the service to 1 kilometer helicity to be between to be anywhere from 100 or above. So we're going to be dealing with a favorable environment for tornadoes across East Texas in this, as indicated by the sounding. And then taking a look at another sounding, we're going to take a look at a sounding near Vicksburg, Mississippi. And this sounding shows a much more curved hodograph, a favorable hodograph for tornadic development, unfortunately. And the helicity across eastern Louisiana and western Mississippi is more in the 230 range. So we are looking at a pretty dangerous setup, especially across Louisiana and Mississippi, as indicated by these soundings. Now, looking at the NAM model, the North American model, this is looking a lot more concerning than even the GFS. We're starting to get some reds, even some areas of dark pinks in the supercell composite parameter. These are parameters of 8, 9, 10. We even have some 11s and 13s in there. And once you start getting into the reds and pinks, this is dangerous territory when it comes to supercell. This is a high to very high chance of supercell development across southeast Arkansas and northwestern Mississippi. And we're going to take a look at a couple of soundings in this area to get an idea of the hodographs and the atmospheric profile. And this is a very dangerous looking hodograph. We got a big curve, we got a loop going on, and then the tornado type, the hazard type is a particularly dangerous situation tornado, which means atmospheric conditions are favorable for EF2 or stronger tornadoes. And our service to 1 kilometer helicity is off the charts in this sounding across southeastern Arkansas, where we have a storm relative helicity value of 419. Once we start getting above 300, this is very dangerous territory when it comes to tornadic uh, environmental conditions. So 419 is a very concerning number that we are seeing across southern Arkansas in the NAM model. And looking at, let's take a sounding around Memphis, Tennessee. And this sounding around Memphis, Tennessee is also very curved. It's got a loop into it. And we have a tornado hazard type, and our helicity is very high at 308. So uh, the moral of the story is we are going to be likely seeing a severe weather and tornado outbreak across the eastern Arkansas, northern Louisiana, western Mississippi, and western Tennessee Tuesday. So make sure you are preparing for a tornado outbreak if you live in this area. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and have a wonderful evening, my friends.